women are sacred because women are an expression of God. Now, you know, there's a lot of things that we can do in the structure of society to help protect women and make things safer and more supportive. And I also believe that change, real change, starts within. So that's why we're talking about these ideas today. And that first idea, that women are sacred because they're an expression of God. Just as I've said many times, like a wave is an expression of the ocean. The essence of wave is ocean. Now, the wave may take a different expression. Some waves may throw off a lot of mist. Some waves may be high, some may be smaller. Some waves may be rough, others calm. But there's still a wave whose essence is ocean. And that's true with people. A person might be one race, one sex, different race, different nationality. Doesn't matter. Still, the essence is spirit. The essence is God. The essence is that wave in the ocean of spirit. And I think it's important that we recognize that even though there's diversity in the world around us, there's unity as we look at the essence, which is spirit. And women, just as men, are expressions of God, which makes women sacred, which makes the essence of a woman worth being treated with respect and honor and dignity. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.